Trial and error diagnostics don't just slow us down, they cost my shop time and money. I can't hand off diagnostic work to many of my techs.
That's why we chose Diagpro. Diagpro is an AI-powered master technician at your fingertips. It helps us identify the most likely root cause of a problem and guides our techs through the smartest fix first. With repair procedures, wiring diagrams, instructional videos, and all the information we need in one app. And it gives us real-time support for any of our questions.
No more doing research online, getting on technical forums, paying for hotlines, and hundreds of dollars on multiple subscriptions. We've been using Diagpro for the past 6 months, and it's fast, accurate, and making my shop more money. Now all my technicians diagnose with master-level confidence. You should try it. You'll love the results.